So this is getting into the very best time of year for dressing, which is called fall. Fall is the best, and it's sweater weather, so I'm bringing you sweater knits. Our pattern of the month this month is 220, which is Brunella's sweater, and it's just showing you this. These are fabrics are all great for this. This is an acrylic wool. It has stretch in both directions, and all of these today are going to be $19.99. They're just phenomenal. They're perfect. They're just exciting to bring it to you. I put this in, it's a white, it's a cotton poly. It's got just a little bit of poly, but it's a cotton poly, and it's a ribbing. It's got stretch in one direction. Now, the reason I put this in is because white being worn underneath sweaters is a big deal, and we had this beautiful white, so I thought I'd add it in. So it's really common to just take these colors and put a nice little white. You could do a little tank. You could do 101. 101 is a mock turtleneck that would be really cute. You could do any of those. This is a really cool one. This is a denim, a brown, and a white also. Great. This is 100% cotton. Great weight. Stretch in one direction on this one. Love this one. Kind of a brown. Love the, it's kind of got little waves, variegations, little textures all through it. It has stretch in one direction, and it's a cotton poly. These are just great. They're fun. These are reversible. These last two are really reversible. Again, this is an acrylic wool, but it's not wool. It's just fun. I mean, it's not like heavy wool or anything. It's got stretch in one direction. These are perfect for these sweater knits. Great cardigans, great vest. This is, again, the acrylic wool has stretch in one direction. And look at the fringe. That'd be such great fringe to put at the bottom or to put somewhere throughout. Just wonderful. So the goal is to have happy fall sewing, sweater sewing from Silhouette Patterns.